Welcome back. If your carbon loan application was declined, here is how to fix the issue and increase your approval chances step by step. First thing to do is you have to check your profile details. Enter your BVN, date of birth, and official name match your bank records exactly. Discrepancies cause immediate automated rejections. Also, confirm you meet the age requirement of 80 to 60 years old. Secondly, build an in-app transaction history. Carbon relies on internal appraisal scores. Like if you're a new user, use the app for daily transactions like purchasing of airtime, payment of bills, fund transfers, and saving for a few weeks to build account activity before reapplying. Thirdly, resolve outstanding credit obligations. Check your credit report and clear any overdue loans with Carbon or other lending platforms. Past repayment delays negatively affect your credit score and trigger loan rejections. Lastly is grant full app permissions. On your phone settings, go to the app management, look for Carbon, and ensure permissions for SMS, location, and contacts are turned on, so Carbon system can evaluate your risk profile. So if your details are accurate and your credit is clean, but you are still declined, send a message through the in-app support feature to request a manual review of your appraisal score. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.